Hello friends, hope you are doing well and enjoying every bit of your life. So far in our video module 5 and 6, we have spoken about the large function and the sum function. Today, what we need to find is the sum of the top 3 values in the range mentioned in the column C. We have been finding it easy to use both the functions independently, but let's see today and understand how using both these functions together can help us in deriving quick results. How I'll start with this video is by looking at the large function, finding the top 3 values independently and then doing a sum of it. We look at how much time it takes for us, and then I'll share the quick or the alternate way to go about it. Now, if you remember or if you go through my video number 5, you will be able to see that the syntax for the large function is equal to large, open parenthesis, the array or the range of which we want to find the largest value, and the k. K here stands for the first, second, third or so on position that you want to find the largest value or the smallest value of. Herein, since I want to find the top value, I have taken 1 as the k. Similarly, I will find the results for the second largest value as well in the range. The only change here will be that k instead of 1 will now be 2 and for the next one will be 3. Once I have all these 3 values in place, to be able to find a sum for them, referring to video number 6, I will write is equal to sum, open parenthesis, select the range where all these 3 values are mentioned and close the parenthesis. The result that I get is 179. Now this took us around about a minute and a half to complete the entire thing. What if we could reduce this time and club both the functions together to get the result? Let's try and understand this now. I'll start with the sum function because that's what eventually I need to find. Now, within the sum functions, normally what we mention is the range or individual number that we want to find the total of. Here, the individual number comes by the large function. So, let me introduce the large function herein. Now, my large function says select an array. So, I've selected my array from C4 to C20. Now, what is going to be my kth value? Is it going to be 1? Is it going to be 2? Or is it going to be 3? The answer to this is that within my curly brackets, I will mention each of it separated by a comma, which means my formula will find the top largest value, the second largest value and the third largest value, and the outer sum function will find a total of all these 3 and give it all together to me in one single function. This is a nested function. Herein, what I have written as the k value, which is 1, 2, 3 within the curly brackets, is also known as the array, which we have selected in this case. Now, let's press enter and see the result, whether it tallies with our top result or not. Oh, wonderful! The result is tallying, and this method was surely easier and quickest. What do you think about it? Do share your thoughts in our comment section. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos. You can also visit our Facebook page or write into us at msexcel.freak@gmail.com. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.